Hello everybody, everything's good. Today I'll talk about the Ethereum technology, and especially in this video I'll talk about the smart contracts. And the main ideas will be what is smart contracts and how do the smart contracts work. So if you like this kind of video, stay until the end because you will have nice information, great information to listen about this type of technology. Now enough of the bullshit and let's go to work. Well guys, my name is Victor, I am curator of the blockchain market analysis and I have been working in the crypto market for years. Before I started, I wanted to say that if you like this type of video, like this, you will be helping a lot and comment your opinion about these ideas, okay? And guys, all the information that I'm going to pass on this video, I will leave in the description, the source, because if you want to study more on this subject, you can access this, alright? And another thing, if you have any question about the crypto market, especially for those who are starting the market right now, example how to buy Bitcoin, how to invest, or another altcoin, please leave it in the comments that I promise answer them the best way I can do. Okay, so let's start talking about the smart contracts. I like to talk about defining what is smart contracts. A smart contract, it is a computer protocol intended to digitally facilitate, verify and enforce the negotiation or performance of a contract. Smart contracts allow the performance of credible transactions without third parties. This is the one of the best benefits of this technology. And one of the best things about the blockchain it is that because it is a decentralized system that exists between all permitted parties, there is no need to pay intermediaries, middlemen, and it saves you time and conflict. Blockchains have their problems, but ever are rated undeniably faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional systems, which is why banks and governments are turning to them. So guys, smart contracts help you exchange money, property, shares, or anything else of value in a transparent, conflict-free way while avoiding the service of a middleman. The best way to describe a smart contract is to compare this technology to a vending machine. Ordinarily, you would go to a lawyer or notary, pay them and wait while you get the document. With a smart contract, it is different. You simply drop a Bitcoin into a vending machine that is ledger, and your scroll, driver's license or whatever drops into your account. And more so, smart contracts not only define the rules and penalties around the agreement in the same way that traditional contracts does, but also automatically enforce those obligations. And if you are looking for a more detailed walkthrough of smart contracts, please give me a message. And guys, a part 2 of this video, it is that essentially there are 3 integral parts, also referred to objects, to every smart contract. The first one, it is signatories, the 2 or more parties using the smart contracts, agreeing or disagreeing with the terms of the agreement using the digital signatures. The second object, it is the subject of the agreement. This can only be an object that exists within the smart contracts environment. Alternatively, the smart contracts have to have unhindered and direct access to the object. Even though the smart contracts were first discussed back in 1996, it was this particular object that stalled their development. This problem was partly solved only after the first cryptocurrency appeared in 2009, like Bitcoin. And finally, any smart contract has to include specific terms. Those terms need to be mathematically described in full and using a programming language that is appropriate for the particular smart contract environment. This includes the requirements expected from all of the participating parties, as well as the rules, rewards, and punishments associated with the said terms. And guys, a good question to talk is that what smart contracts can do for you, and where is the smart contracts give you. The smart contracts give you, number one, autonomy. You are one of the making the agreement. There is no need to rely on a broker, lawyer, or other intermediaries to confirm. Incidentally, this also knocks out the danger of manipulation by a third party, since execution is managed automatically by the network, rather one more possibly biased individual who may err. Number two, it is trust. Your documents are encrypted on a shared ledger. There is no way that someone can say they lost it. Number three, it is backup. Imagine if your bank lost your saving account. One on the blockchain, each and every one of your friends have your back. Your documents are duplicated times over. And number four, it is safety. Cryptography, their encryption of websites, keeps your documents safe. There is no hacking. In fact, it would take an abnormally smart hacker to crack to the code and inflate it. And number five, it is savings. Smart contracts have saved your money since they knock out the presence of intermediary. You would, for instance, to have paid a notary to witness your transactions. And the number six, and finally, it is the accuracy. Automatic contracts are not only faster and cheaper, but also avoid errors that come from manually finding out of heaps of forms. And now, guys, it is my turn to ask you, what are the main ideas that made you interested in this type of technology? Do you have anything to add in my search? Have you used smart contracts? Please answer them in the comments that I asked. I will definitely read all the comments, and I am very interested to know your opinion. And again, thanks for the support. Enjoy this video, like this, comment, help me to do these videos for you, and if you can, share with your friends in Telegram, Facebook, okay? So that's it, a hug for you, good trades, a wonderful week for everybody, and remember, let's make money from the market. Bye bye, see you.